Yeah, see them autumn joy. They'll you out there go a swiggle. Straight across, straight across.
Next year I'm going to go down the store and buy those chair cushions.
Yes, you go.
And put it on my swing, and when I finish using it, I'll just take them in.
Lavenders. These are the lavenders. Burning bush, autumn joy,
God, I love
boxwood.
Well, after burning bush, I love.
These are the Wigelia. Ika.
Whoa.
Yes, you go. See how close these are? I have to move this. The hydrangeas. Wigelia. Yeah, it grows but beautiful flowers like that other one I got. Pink. This has light colored ones, light pink and white.
Oh.
Same thing as that big tree over there, Carmel.
Oh, okay.
But those grows pink ones, like hot pink.
Yes.
This one grows light pink and white. That one grows hot pink. Three different kind of Wigelias. Not just tree. They have to be dug out. Thomas, but Dr. Godman, some key, a some whiskey.